Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte airbag warning light and its possible causes. The airbag warning light illuminates on the dashboard to indicate a potential issue with the supplemental restraint system. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Verified causes may include a malfunctioning airbag sensor, damaged wiring, or a problem with the airbag module. Older generations may experience loose connectors under the seats or corrosion in electrical connections. Newer models could show faults related to software updates or system calibration errors. Potential contributing factors may include water intrusion, prior collision repairs, or battery voltage irregularities. Possible solutions include inspecting and securing connectors, repairing damaged wiring, clearing system faults using a diagnostic tool, or replacing a faulty sensor or module. Some Kia Forte owners have noted intermittent warnings that resolve after battery disconnects or professional system resets. This varies across model years. It is important to remember that airbag system warnings should never be ignored as they relate to vehicle safety. Issues can vary by vehicle generation and model year. All repairs should be confirmed by a qualified technician. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.